Hey, good morning, YouTube. How's it going? It is Saturday morning, a little bit later than normal is when you'll see this video out. I actually had the house to myself today. Hubby and son are out running around today. And so, one of the few Saturdays I've had alone, I think last Saturday was one of the first ones, actually, since the whole quarantine mess and everything has been over for a little bit, although, COVID's still out there. Not going to go into all that today. And I also think that we're about at the end of the drama on my YouTube channel. Thank goodness. I'm just like, whatever you got to say at this point, go ahead and say. Apparently, half the ones that did put up likes or dislikes, should it be, you guys were about half and half on that note. Not sure if it's just my whole attitude about like or dislike, but YouTube is what it is. I'm going to put out the content. Whatever you guys feel, you can let me know. And so on that note, we are moving on from all the drama. If you see a comment that I haven't gotten around to yet, sorry about that. Like I mentioned in the last video, YouTube is already looking into that for me. And when I see those comments, in case you are one of the people, most of you aren't, but we get those few left over coming back around. Don't know why. But if you are, I screenshot it, I delete it, block you, and I think there's the report button before I block and remove you from my channel, and I upload all that to YouTube management. They have reached out to me on Twitter, and we're going from there. So that's where we're at on that note. Also, too, just because I am who I am, I think I'm going to be making some things for kids and putting it on my YouTube channel, not YouTube channel, my website about bullying, and that bullying's not okay, doing some little workbooks for kids and sometimes teachers, and also putting out the content for, your special kind of thing, just kind of uplifting kids, because there is still a whole lot of bullying out there, as we see, even adults bully. So, bullies, get over yourself, move on. You're wasting your time. Now for the Saturday shout-outs. And these Saturday shout-outs this morning, we do have being Savvy. Savvy is always, always, always coming to the channel. We definitely thank you, Savvy. And Savvy has a very nice channel herself. So go and check that out. And I'll leave, as always, everybody's links down below. And Being Savvy has a great channel, like I was mentioning. Go check her out. She's grown a lot here lately as well. And so then we also have Soya. I know I'm going to pronounce the last name wrong, so I'm just going to spell it and leave the last name and leave your link down below. Sorry, Soya. Sorry about that. Cincau is the last name on her channel. We also have Julie Life Vlogs. I'll leave her channel down below. And Jenny T. We do have her as well. Jenny T was one of the first to go check out the website, as well as, of course, always showing up on my YouTube channel. And, of course, my blog is theunpopularmom.com, of course. And then we do have Yes to Tech, because she has a wonderful, wonderful channel. Helps you learn a lot of things about websites, about how to actually set up email lists, etc. If you want to join my email list down below, I will leave that link too for you guys. I'm going to be uploading a lot of freebies for you. I'm already working on that and working on the resource area on my website too. That will be members only as soon as I get that launched and rolling, probably next couple weeks or so, as far as that portion of it. But I do already have some freebies uploaded to the email. So as soon as you guys click and sign up, I do have some social media calendars. I'll be updating those with more content every month too. Just with it being my first month having the website rolling, then it's taken a little bit longer to get that going. But to these 5, I do definitely want to go ahead and say thank you guys very, very much for always being first, always coming back and commenting. If you're wondering how to get a shout out, that's it. just by coming back and leaving comments, watching one time. Hey, give me a shout out. It's not going to cut it for anybody. And then also too, I've been seeing a good bit. You're never on my page. I never see you come and visit. The way that I decide whose pages I'm going to is by the length of time that you're on my channel and watching and not just commenting. Because A, that's how you wind up in spam if you don't watch at least a few minutes of that. That is a true story because I had, let's see, over 500 spam comments on my channel when I went to go look, amazingly. I was like, oh my gosh, that's a lot. And so if you don't see me respond quickly, usually either it's because I'm very busy at the moment or mainly because of the fact that you show up in spam. Since I do have the YouTube channel stats app on my phone, I will see the comment come through. But if I can't go back and click on it, then I have to go in and find you in spam whenever I have time to go look for you there. So that's why some of you see me 3 weeks later coming back and commenting. And so if I see you and you don't wind up in spam, I try to comment pretty quickly because I definitely appreciate everybody being here. I'm not just saying that. And, you know, it takes a village. Definitely takes a village. And so I will be doing one of the work at home videos very shortly. I'm going to work on that today and see if I get it up on my channel today. And then, like I said, check out the unpopularmom.com if you would like to and see what all I'm doing on there. My next article there is going to be building a capsule wardrobe. Since I wear pretty basic stuff, as you guys could probably tell, I decided why not, and working on getting some of my own pictures up there on the blog. And I'll be teaching you guys too how to do that. I am working on some how-to videos and getting that all rolling. I want to kind of have a few in a row so that you guys watch one and then another one, and it's not just a one and done. So if you want to sign up for that, I will be uploading a new portion of the website for that as well this weekend too. So guys, have a great weekend. See you guys next video and take care. Bye.